There wasn't really conversations. I mean, there was conversation, but nothing.
All right. What time do you guys get done with dinner?
I have no idea.
No.
Dinner probably took maybe an hour.
Okay.
So
what did you guys do after dinner?
Probably about 11.
What did you guys do after dinner?
We went to the rooms. Was that the night of search warrant?
Just ran out. Just ran out of. All right, we're back on tape at approximately 2015. We've switched recorders. My recorder's run out of room, run out of memory. All right, Dominic, I apologize. We're back on. So if you want to go ahead and finish. After that was the night of the search warrant, and that's, I guess, where we stopped. Right. What happened later? What happened after dinner? You said about 11. You guys went to your rooms.
Went to our rooms.
Okay.
James and I were in the room next door to George and Cindy's room.
Okay.
And we were there probably 30 minutes or so. And Cindy asked me if I would walk. She knocked on the door and said she needed to walk.
Okay.
So I said, okay, I will walk with you. She was upset. We walked to the elevator, got down the elevator, went into the lobby. I was walking through the lobby. To walk outside. And sitting in the lobby there, Michelle Bart was there. Caitlin was there. And Cindy said to me, she said, Michelle and Caitlin and Steph are there. So I said, who's Steph? She said, it was ABC. So I said, oh, okay. So we just went walking around. And then we ended up sitting at said, I need fresh air. So we ended up sitting on a bench right out there at the front of the hotel. As you walk out the doors to the right, there's another entrance to the hotel. At that entrance, sitting at a bench there.
Okay.
And then a telephone call. We received a telephone call, I believe, from you saying that somebody needed to come to lock up the house.
Right.
And James had come walking down, and he called me. I said, where are you at? I said, right over here. Look over here, so you'll see just keep look across where the white car is, and you'll see us right across there at that bench. So I came walking across, and I said, I'm not sure. Was it you that called Cindy?
Yeah, I believe it. Who made the decision that Hoover was going to come to the house? And
he volunteered.
Okay, but who made the decision? Okay, that's okay. He can go to the house and lock the house up. Who? I'm not saying he did or didn't volunteer. What I'm asking is that who okayed it? Who approved for James Hoover to come meet with us at the house? He could have volunteered to do anything. Somebody could have said no. Who said, okay, fine, go to the house? Who made that decision? Cindy did. Okay, so Cindy sent him to the house.
Yeah, she looked at me and said, I said, yeah, that's fine. If it's okay with you, that's fine.
Okay. All right, so Hoover came, met with us, locked the house up.
No, hold on a minute. I don't know that Hoover did that.
Okay. Hoover came and met with us. Right. Hoover left. As far as you know, Hoover left to meet with us. Correct. With the approval of everybody there.
Correct.
Okay. Nobody said, no, you're not going. I'll send somebody else.
That is correct.
Okay. And do you recall what time he got back there?
Let's say it had to be around 3, John.
Okay. What happened the next day?
3 or 3:30.
What happened the next day?
Next day would have been a Saturday, wasn't it? Was it a Saturday or Friday? After the next day, got up, had breakfast, just basically George and Cindy and myself got the day correctly. A little later in the morning, once George and Cindy left the room, they went to go for a walk. The 3 of us went walking all around the golf course.
You and the 3 of who would
George, Cindy, myself, were walking around the golf course. I think that's the day that James left.
Okay.
He left one of the days, and I think. Well, no.
How long did you guys were there? How long? How long were you and George and Cindy there?
Until Sunday evening. Well, no, it was Sunday morning. We left on the Sunday morning.
To come back to the house?
No, we went to the service of the church.
Okay.
The 11 o'clock service of the church.
Okay.
And then took them over to the house.
Okay. And y'all did you check out on Sunday?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Caitlin check out on Sunday?
No, in fact, Caitlin left on, I believe it was the day before.
On Saturday?
Either the Friday afternoon or the Saturday morning. I'm not sure. I think it was the Friday she left town. And she said she had to go to somewhere for another story, wherever that was. That she'd be back on I think she came back on the Sunday. I'm not sure if she got back. She wasn't back by the time that we left.
Okay.
Did you ever have any conversations with Caitlin? Just the 2 of you?
The 2 alone? No, I've never been alone with Caitlin. Never been alone with Caitlin.
So you've never had an exclusive or just a conversation between the 2 of you? The answer would be no.
The answer would be no.
You didn't have a...
Oh,
you didn't...
Well, no. No, the answer would... As far as she'd call,
in person.
In person? No.
The 2, so we won't find anywhere on hotel security video the 2 of y'all sitting together for an hour by yourselves.
We're standing in the hallway.
I mean, it's possible. But I don't recall. I mean, I'm sure we must have had a...
What did you guys talk about?
What did we talk about? Basically how upset the whole situation was.
For an hour?
Excuse me?
For an hour?
I'm not saying it was an hour.
What was she doing there?
What was she doing?
Yeah.
She was staying there.
Why? She just happened to be in town? Did you guys just happen to be in town?
No, I found out afterwards. That was the arrangements that Michelle Bart, I believe, had made.
So Dominic, just tell them that ABC paid for the... We're asking questions. Dominic, we're asking questions we know the answers to, okay?
That ABC paid. I found that out after. ABC did pay for the hotel.
Do you know why? Not as good as their heart. They showed up and...
I remember... No, I'll tell you a conversation I did have with...
That's funny. Can you help? Are we asking? If you just lay it out there, you know why she was there. She was there. She wants a story.
Yeah, she wants a story. I'm sure she wants a story. But she kept reassuring me. She kept saying to me, "Don't think there's any ulterior motive here." And I'm like, "Give me a break." I don't believe.
So who there believed that? Was there anybody there that believed that this was that there wasn't going to be talk of the story and there's going to be money paid out? I mean, nobody did believe that.
No, there was never any money.
No, I didn't say there was money paid out.
Did Jose Myers come back anymore? That was the only day he was there. Was the first day.
My knowledge, that's the only kind of a sort of
So, to your knowledge, there's not. She's there for a story, but there's not going to be any payment for the story. She's getting the story for free. I'm not sure I understand.
No, I didn't say she was there for the story. She kept reassuring me. She said, you know, Dominic, she said, I've gotten to know George and Cindy, and she said, I'm not, it's not our